Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my second video for the week on this channel, and part of my promise to all my subscribers is that I will be releasing 2 videos every week on this channel to help business owners. If you are a business owner, a small business owner, you are doing most of everything on your own. You are doing email marketing on your own. You are doing SEO of your business on your own. You are running ads on your own. You are doing everything, social media management on your own. Everything about your business, you are doing it on your own. This is the right channel for you. Also, if you are a freelancer or you are a 9 to 5 person and you have a challenge and you are looking for the right channel to find the right solution for the problem you are facing, I believe I will have been able to create a video centered around that. And if I have not been able to create a video on that, I will just tell you to hit me up. Just drop a comment on one of my videos. I'm going to pick it up and record a video for you on any challenges you are facing in digital marketing. So today, I want to show you how you can create autoresponder emails on GetResponse. Like I said in my previous video, GetResponse is an email marketing platform that has been in existence for close to 25 years, if I'm right, and is one of the most reliable. So how can you send autoresponder emails, and what is the meaning of autoresponder emails? Autoresponder emails is a sequence of emails that you send out, that you program on your email marketing platform, that once people opting into your opting their details, that is their name, their phone number, and their email address on your website, you start sending email communications to them. All those email communications that people get are programmed, and they are programmed, and it is called autoresponder, because gone are the days whereby if you want to send, imagine you having a list of 3,000 people and you want to send emails to them. You don't have to, and you have to send email communication with them. You have to build connection with them. And at the same time, you have to upsell, you have to cross-sell, and all those kind of things. We do that through autoresponder. You can program a sequence of 30 days emails or 90 days emails with autoresponder. So for the sake of this video, if you have a GetResponse account, just log into your GetResponse account and go to this place, come to tools, and you will see autoresponder. This is a fresh account, so I haven't done any email autoresponder with it. Can you see build a lasting relationship with your contacts? Imagine you having a contact of 5,000 email subscribers. You want to build a relationship with them so that you can upsell, so that you can cross-sell. Imagine if you are watching this video, you know that you have subscribed to somewhere online before, and you are receiving emails every three days, every four days, and all those kind of, that's autoresponder email. Want to send email automatically over a specific period of time? Create your first autoresponder email, then add more to create a series. You can use autoresponder to welcome people to your brand. Yes, re-engage existing contacts. They are also perfect for delivering email courses and sending regular updates. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to use this email sequence as an example. I have this email sequence that I'll be using as an example for one of my clients. So the next thing you need to do is to click create autoresponder and click by myself. Once you do that, you can you need to have a list. If you have uploaded your contacts, this is a default list on this account. If you have uploaded your contacts, that is, imagine you having a database of 3,000 people, and if you don't have a database of your customer, and you are starting afresh, just make sure it is linked to the right list, right? So it is linked to the right list. So let's just give this a name, onboarding or something. You can give your autoresponder any name. This is just for you to be able to differentiate. So what you need to do is that autoresponder settings. When do you want this this message to go out? On day 0. This thing starts with day 0. Day 0 means the day the person subscribed, or the day the person opt in into your form or into your funnel or into your email marketing, and same time as the time sign up. You want them to receive that email as soon as they sign up, and that is the logic. That's the best thing. You don't want a situation whereby people are busy and they tend to forget things easily. So once they opt in into your email, you need to send them autoresponder emails immediately. So for the first email that you'll be sending out, I will encourage you to leave it at on day 0, same time as time sign up. You can change it with a delay of exactly at. So but for autoresponder, first autoresponder email that people will get when they sign up on your website should be day 0, same time as sign up, not regardless of the date. Do not untick any of these dates. So the next thing you need to do, they said, from which email are you sending it from. So make sure that your email that you are using is not a Gmail account, and your reply to email, put it here, and build your subject line. So let me copy my subject line. So this is the subject line here. You put your subject line here. Then you design your email. Come to design message. So what I do most of the time, I don't choose templates. I'm not saying you should not. Templates are not good. I just go to blank templates, and I will just choose. Let's just use this template with 1 column. So the first thing for this kind of email that I want to build is to upload my logo. Let's upload the brand logo. So I'll come here, add file from computer, then I'll upload this logo. This is the logo of the brand. Then I'll add it. So I'll add it. So I'll just click on use here. The can you see that the image has uploaded? Then you come to this place. Once you come to this place, we are not going to drag text in here. That's the next thing you need to do, because text is the next thing you want to put. You can put anything here. If you want to use image here, if you want to use text, if you want to put button for call to action, if you want to put a video in the body of your email, you can put it here. If you want to put all the social media icons, you can put social media icons here. Just fill in your social media icon. So I will just come here and copy the email that I've programmed. I'll just come here and copy the email. So that's what you need to do next. Then you come here again, you come here and paste in your text. So you make sure that it is well aligned. You can just change this to I there. Then you make sure that your email is well aligned, so that people can read it very well. So there should be a link to my tester section here, because I'm actually advertising the tester section for this email, but that's not the essence of this video. So that is the email. So if you want to, you need to customize your email in such a way that it will look more attractive. So imagine I want to add an image here now. I'll just put in an image here. So let's go to a platform called Pixels Image. So it's a free stock image platform. So, and let me type black tech guy, because I'm selling a tech course. So let's download this image. I think I like this image. So I think I like this image. It's taking a while. So the image has downloaded. Then I'll go to my autoresponder. I'll go to the email that we are building. Then I'll come to browse, then add the image again from my computer. The image I just downloaded. Then I'll put it there. And you click on add. So it will upload the image. It will upload the image. So what I need to do next is to just click on use. So it will use the image. So can you see now? So this is quite big now. So you can just come here and reduce the size. Reduce. So I don't want to reduce the width. Let me reduce. So let me just reduce the image so that it can look good a bit. So you need to customize your image. You need to customize your mail in such a way that it will look attractive. Also make sure that, can you see there is a link to a taster section here? So also make sure that every link in your email are working very well and they are linking to the right link that you want to use. So if you want to put in image in the body of your email, drag in image here. If you want to put another text, just drag in text here. Then you'll be able to type your text there. Can you see? So, but for the sake of this video, I'm not going to do that. So you can go to button, you can go to video, you can go to spacer, you can go to divider. I've also shown you that. So these are blocks, these are basic blocks that you can use to customize your email that it will look attractive. So this is your first email. So the next thing you need to do, if you are satisfied with the email you have built and every alignment is okay by you, the next thing you need to do is to click on next. So once you click on next, so make sure that the first email you are sending out is on day 0, same time as when they signed up. So ensure that your email address are correct. And can you see that they've done spam check and everything? You can even preview your message here. You can send a text message. But the next thing, if you are okay with it, the next thing you need to do is to click on save and publish. So So this is our first email. This is how all your autoresponder emails that you've programmed, that's how they will appear here. Can you see the status is on? If you turn it off now, once people opt in, they will not get this email. So make sure that this is always turned on. The next thing you need to do is to click on, if you want to create another autoresponder email, click on create autoresponder again, click on myself, and also give it onboarding. Just give it a name that you will use to identify your email. So the next email that they are going to get will be on the second second day. So you need to understand the logic. The first day is day 0. The second day is day 1. The third day is day 2. So, but for the sake, if you are building autoresponder emails, you don't need to send out emails to people every day, because when you send out emails to people every day, they tend to get bored, and because they are receiving a lot of emails, so you need to put a space between them. So the third day should be the best time to send another email after the first day they opt in on day 0. So on day 1, which is the second day, don't send email. So just change this to day 2, which is the third day that they opt in into your funnel. Leave it as same time as the time they sign up, if that's what you want to work with, or you want to do exact time. So at this point, you can now start changing your first email, which is the day 0 email, should be same time as they sign up. But the email you are sending on the third day, the subsequent autoresponder that you are going to send to them for the next 90 days or for the next 30 days, depending on the date of your campaign, you can do exact dates, which can be, it's not best to send email 12 a.m. So the best time to send, you can send email, you can test. So you can send emails to them. The best time where people are back from work at times, you can send email to them at, let's say, 7 p.m. and leave it as, allow this message to be sent on Monday, Tuesday, and all sorts of things. So this email is on day 2. So day 2 means day 0 is the first day they sign up. The second day is day 1. The third day is day 2. So that's how you do it. So the next one is to fix in your email address. Switch from Gmail address to an email address as custom emails. So the best practice is for you to use the custom email of your brand as your from email address and reply to your email address. So the next subject line for this email is the second email that I'm sending on the third day is this. So I'm going to pop in this here and click on design message. So let's move up and click blank templates. Click blank template. The next thing you need to do again is to customize how your email will look like. Add image again. So you've already uploaded the logo before, so you don't need to upload it again. Just pick it from there. So you go to the body of your email. Once you go to the body of your email, so like I said, you can drag in image here in your body of your image. If you want in the body of your email, if you want image to be in the body of your email, if you want text, if you want button as call to action, if you want video, if you want spacer, divider, or social media icons, and all those sort of things. So just drag text here. Then I'm going to pop in the email address, the emails that have been written already. So I'm going to pop it in here. So and what you need to do, you need to format your email very well. You need to format your email very well so that it will be easy for people on the net. And one of the best practices is for you to optimize for mobile, because most of the people that will be reading your emails, they will be reading it on their mobile phone. So you need to make it convenient for people to read your email. So your email alignment is very, very important. So another thing you need to do at this point, like we did in the previous email, drag your social media icon, drag it here. Then you fill in all the social media icon of your business here, because some people might just want to check out how credible you are by going to your social media platforms. So the next thing you need to do is to drag in image. You just need to like design this place. This place is for you. This basic block is for you to design your emails in such a way that it will look nice and appealing to people that want to read it, or the people you want to cross-sell or upsell to. You need to make it visually appealing. And this basic block that you have here is enough for you to do all your designs. So the next thing I need to do is to browse and upload the image. So I'm not going to download another image. I will just use the previous image that we use for the last email. So this is what we will do. Then I can as well just reduce the size of the image. Then I'll click on so let me look at the alignment of this email here. Then once you are okay with the email address and you are okay with the formatting, you are okay with the layout and the design of your email, the next thing you need to do is to click on next. Once you click on next, you come to this page. Ensure that your settings are right, your autoresponder email settings are right. The next thing you need to do is to click on save and publish again. So these are the steps for you to build a 30 days email sequence. This if you want to be, if your email marketing campaign is for 90 days, this is the same step you go through to build a 90 days email sequence. There you are not changing anything. You are just working around the days, the the intervals between the days you are sending out the emails. So let's create another email rather. Click on create autoresponder again and click on by myself. So let's give it onboarding again. So onboarding is the name of our email campaign. So if that's the name of your email campaign. So the previous email that we sent was sent on the 3rd day, which is day 2. So we want to send another email the 3rd day, which means the 6th day. So this day 0, day 1, which is the 2nd day, day 2, which is the 3rd day, day 4, day 3, which is the 4th day, day 5, which is the day 6th, which is the 5th day, and day 6th. So you need to just give a space between these. So I'm not going to choose day 2. Can you see that they are telling me you already have an autoresponder set for day 2? If you want this message, if you want to send this message, we recommend on publishing the other autoresponder to avoid sending multiple emails to your contact. So I'm not going to send it on day 3. I'm going to leave a space. Then I will now send it on day 4. So that is day 2, they've received an email already. So we are going to leave a space for day 3. Then I will send this email on day 4. I can as well choose to send this email on day 5. That is leaving two days, giving them a break of 2 days. So what I will do at this point again is to be same time as a sign up time. What I will do is to send it at an exact time. You can even do A/B testing for this kind of email by sending some emails. Let's say maybe you test, the last one we did was 7 p.m. So let's do 9 p.m. for this one, or let's do 3 p.m. for this one. So once you do 3 p.m., you can use it to test the one that the open rate makes a lot of sense, and check it with the one that the open rate does not make sense. So you will know that, oh, the emails you are sending out by 7 p.m. are receiving high open rate than the ones you are sending by 3 p.m., which means as at that 3 p.m., they are still at work. So you can even do A/B testing with this kind of thing. So ensure that your from email address, like I said earlier, is entered and the reply to email address is entered. So what you need to do next is your subject line. Come to your subject line and click on do transform your career trajectory. That's what this email is all about. And click on design message. So like we did earlier, I'll go to blank templates and click on this one, the one with column 1. So the first thing you need to do is to upload your logo. So we already have our logo in our database. The next thing you need to do is to come to your layout where you have basic blocks, drag text there. I said this layout platform where you have this layout section where you have basic blocks, it allows you to design your emails the way you want. It allows you to do a lot of customization with your email. And like I said earlier, you need to make your email, you need to make it visually appealing to people that are going to read it. So ensure that all the links that are in the body of your email, ensure that they are working very well and they are linking to the right websites that you are taking people to. That's very, very important. You know, it will be so sad when people click on the link in your email address and it's taking them to a wrong website. So what you need to do, you need to work with your alignment. very well. So you need to work with your alignment very well. You need to work on your alignment. So you need to work on your alignments very well. They are so important. So that's all you need to do. So the next thing you need to do, just make sure that your email alignment is right. So I think at this point, I'm just going to leave this the way it is. I'm just going to change this to capital letter, the first word there to capital letter. So what I need to do next is to make the look and feel of my email nice again by putting my social media handles, put all the social media handle of the brand, and also putting an image there. Just put an image there. One image is enough for your email. So just do this. So the next thing I need to do is to upload the image. So I already have this image there. So you can use as many emails as you like for your email design. It's not compulsory you use one image that I'm using, which so there's no benchmark and there's no rule saying you have to put it has to be one image. So that's that. So the next thing you need to do, so the next thing you need to do, if you are once you are satisfied with the look and feel of your email, the next thing you need to do is to click on next. Then you check spam check. You are getting, you are good to go. So all you just need to do is to just click on save and publish. So with that, you've been able to set up. So in this video, I've walked you through how you can set 3 autoresponder. So if you are even if your email marketing campaign is 90 days, if it is 70 days, if it is 30 days, these steps that I've walked you through in this video is still the same step that you will use. You are not changing anything on GetResponse. It is still the same step that I've walked you through in this video that you use. You are not changing it. The only thing you need to work around is the circle day. They call it circle day that you want to send the email, the time, the space. You need to give your audience or your contacts breathing space. So you don't have to send emails to them every day. So you can give it a space of one or 2 days before you send another email. So in your autoresponder email campaigns, you have to have a space between them. So for the next 90 days, and with all the email communication you are sending outside, just make sure that you are upselling and you are cross-selling to them. Basically, that's what you need to do. So I believe you've been able to gain value in this video. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will encourage you to like this video. I will encourage you to subscribe to this video. I'm going to drop another video first. I'm going to drop another video next week. So, but I'm not sure what it is about. It might be on a comment on one of my video, but I'm going to that. But I believe you are going to gain value in that video also. So I want you to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you.